everyone, it's Martin. Today we are going to introduce you our new designs outdoor LED display products. As you can see, this one is 960 by 960 millimeters. It's a conventional cabinet size, but it adopts a newly designed material. It uses the aluminum cabinets to get a lighter feature. And the module size is different than before. It adopts 480 millimeters by 320 millimeters high, a bigger size LED module. This pixel pitch is P6.67. So for each panel, it comes with 6 LED modules, and the panel's resolution would be 144 by 144. Its brightness is brighter than before. It can reach 6,000 nits, so it's very bright. It can have the IP65 IP rating protection. This outdoor aluminum LED display products uses both front service and the back service for you to easily and conveniently replace the LED modules and other parts like power supplies, control cards, and something. This product is equipped with energy-saving driver ICs. It not only can make the refresh rate be up to 7,680 Hz to have a good image quality and visual experience, and it can make the power consumption lowered by 30% than conventional outdoor LED display products. Now we can see the back side of the cabinet. You can see there are no too many wires because it adopts a hard connection design, also called pin-to-pin connection. This is the side locks for you to conveniently and fast connect one cabinet to another cabinet, so you can slice unlimited screen size. Next part is about the control box. This is the control box. You can see it integrates the control system, the power system, and the cooling system. These parts make sure the whole LED panels can work normally without any issues for long-term use. About the control methods, it usually uses the Wi-Fi control and USB and 4G cloud. That's the most used control methods. In short, this outdoor LED display products, it has the advantages like lighter design and energy saving than the conventional iron cabinets. If you have the interest, welcome to contact us for more information.